TikTok.
Tint Talk here, like and subscribe. So I'm going to show you how to avoid how to fix some of those plotter cuts. Whenever you have a cut and it's just looking really wavy on the edge, or it's just cutting uneven, or it's coming out kind of just anything to deal with a wonky cut, and it just keeps happening with your plotter. I'm going to show you how to deal with that, and especially when you're weeding out your film, you can have it eat way more even weed out if you do this. So what you have here is the clear, not a clear, but just the white strip. It comes on a little roll, so you would install that how you usually do. And this roll I've been using for a while, and I have not one a knife line in it from the plotter because the way they tell you to do it, you put the little white Teflon tape it comes with over it, but it doesn't protect it very well. So I like to use this blue tape. You can use either I got a light blue tape, I got dark blue tape, it doesn't matter, as long as it's blue tape and as long as the surface is flat. Don't use anything with grooves or anything bumpy. Sometimes there's green tape and it's really bumpy, but this is what I use. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick how to fix this issue of your plotter just making incorrect cuts or your film not weeding out evenly. So I just put it right, and this is completely fine to do with your plotter. You guys, it'll be safe. You ain't gonna cause no harm. So I just go all the way down and I just put the whole tape right over it. The only hard part is to try to get this tape on here without you got to make sure you ain't got no crinkles or nothing. So that's the hard part. It is a challenge to get on there. But once you get it, you'll be fine though. So boom. And then this part, to get under this, you would just simply move this plotter. Oh, there you go. You move that handle, and I gotta relift it a little bit to make sure everything's gonna go on there evenly. And when you get to the edge, boom, and boom, and you're all good. And so this one, just want to make sure it has no lines or anything, especially where it's going to be cutting. So this is the way to do it. It does three things. It protects the center plastic strip, which you absolutely have to have. Unless you stuff a lot of tape in here, but it makes it more even. It protects the center white line strip. It makes it so that number two, it makes it so that your edges, whenever you're cutting film, your edges come out evenly. And then number three, it makes it so like you can actually weed the film out evenly. Because if you ever weed out film, you're like, man, why is it weeding weird right here and good right here? Like, this is literally why. So this will literally fix that problem where your film is not weeding out evenly. But yeah, just go get yourself some blue tape, and you can do that and put it right over your plotter, and it works perfectly fine. Tint Talk here, like and subscribe.